Hi, this is Francis from A+ Tutoring. In this session, I'm going to show you how to do the question in the past final exam number 1, question number 1D. Now this integral, if you look at this, you would actually think of what to do, okay? If you look at the order of verification for integrals, you have to check if it's on the formula sheet, which this is not the case, right? Then what happened? Integration by parts? No, it's not in the table that I have in my notes. Integral of trigonometric, there's no trigonometric function here. And then I don't think I will be using trigonometric substitution either. Now transformation plus substitution. Maybe I can just do substitution first here. Oh, number 6, partial fraction, for sure is not partial fraction here. I don't want to factorize anything here. So let's just do simple substitution. What do you want to substitute? Ask yourself what is u and what is du. Now if my u is the whole thing at the bottom, my du is going to be 2e to the x, or 2e to the 2x dx. But on top I have e to the 3x dx. So maybe I should just make it simpler. If it's u equals to e to the x, then this is u squared and this is u cubed. That makes much better, right? That looks much easier to do. So u equals to e to the x, then du is equals to ex dx. So that means that du over e to the x equals to dx. And that's basically du over u, because e to the x is basically u, equals to dx. And then what happened here? I know that I can substitute now. This is becoming integral of u to the cube over 9 plus u squared du over u. And this u and this u cube can cancel out and become something like this. So let me rewrite this. This is u squared over 9 plus u squared du. Now, well, you look at the degree on top and the degree at the bottom. This is going to be the same degree because it's 2. Now, if you have the same degree on top and bottom, the first thing that you have to think of is long division. Now, let's do a long division here. So, u squared is divided by 9 plus u squared. So let me just rewrite the order so that I don't want to write 9 plus u squared. I want to write u squared plus 9. So I know that 1 goes into it. So I have to subtract all that. So this is going to become minus 9. So my integral is becoming, something like this. Integral of 1 plus minus 9 over 9 plus u squared. And then du. So that means I have two integrals here because I need to separate this integral. There's two terms. The first integral is just 1, right? 1 is basically u, okay? All right, so this is going to be u. Now this is basically minus 9 over 9 plus u squared. Again, you have to look at this order. Is this on the formula sheet? Yes, it is. Why is this? Because if you look at the integral here, this is basically my arctangent here. Okay, so I have my arctangent. I have minus 9 in front, and my a is going to be 3. 3 is basically 3 squared here. That's give you 9, right? So I have 3 u minus 9 over 3 arctangent of your u over 3 plus c. Now what is your u again? Your u is really e to the x. So let's replace back. Okay, so the answer is going to become e to the x minus 3 arctangent of e to the x over 3 plus c. And this is my final answer. For more questions about integrals and this past final exam, please visit my website goforaplus.com.